Hello everyone, I'm Ratrika Bhaumik and I welcome you all to another episode of Courts Today on LiveLaw, where we update you about all the important legal developments that took place across the country today. We will begin with developments from the Supreme Court and then move on to High Courts and other subordinate courts. If you like our content, it would mean a lot to us if you like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let's begin. The Supreme Court today directed that no one should be prosecuted under Section 66A of the Information Technology Act of 2000, which was struck down as unconstitutional by the court in 2015 in the Shreya Singhal case. The court issued a slew of directions to the Director Generals of Police as well as the Home Secretaries of all states to ensure that reference to Section 66A is removed from all pending cases. The court also directed that the bare acts of the IT Act published should adequately inform the readers that Section 66A have been invalidated. The bench comprising Chief Justice of India, UU Lalit, Justice S. Ravinder Bhatt and Justice Ajay Rastogi was hearing a writ petition filed by the NGO PUCL, which highlighted the issue of Section 66A of the IT Act being invoked despite the judgment in the Shreya Singhal case. We have made a detailed video on this pronouncement, the link to which has been given in the description box below. Please do check it out. The Supreme Court of India today clarified that there is no bar on the High Courts to hear matters pertaining to the issue of stray dogs in the country. A bench of the Supreme Court consisting of Justices Sanjeev Khanna and J.K. Maheshwari clarified that an earlier order of the Supreme Court on November 18, 2015 did not intend for all proceedings before High Courts to come to a standstill in cases pertaining to stray dogs. The court further pointed out that there would be individual cases relating to applicability and enforcement of the Prevention of Cruelty to Animals Act of 1960 as well as state laws which may require detailed hearing of parties and location-specific orders. The Supreme Court today heard a plea filed by BJP leader Syed Shahnawaz Hussain in connection with an alleged 2018 rape case. Hussain has approached the Supreme Court challenging an order of the Delhi High Court directing the registration of an FIR against him. The Supreme Court had earlier stayed all proceedings against him in this particular matter. A bench comprising Chief Justice of India, UU Lalit, Justice Ajay Rastogi and Justice S. Ravinder Bhatt today stated that the matter may be heard again on 18th October and that not necessarily by the same combination of the bench. Senior Advocate Mukul Rohatgi today, appearing on behalf of Hussain, submitted that the entire lump of allegations were against Hussain's brother. As per him, the complainant had alleged that Hussain's brother had raped her under false pretext of marriage back in 2013. The Supreme Court bench comprising Chief Justice of India, UU Lalit, Justice Ravinder Bhatt and Justice Ajay Rastogi listed a batch of petitions challenging the constitutional validity of the provisions of the Places of Worship Special Provisions Act of 1991 on 14th November this year. The court also directed the centre to file its response by 31st October. The petitions have been filed against the Act inasmuch as it bars remedies against illegal encroachment on the places of worship and pilgrimages prior to August 15, 1947. Persuaded by the petitioners to change the preliminary view that the challenge to demonetization has become an academic exercise, the Supreme Court of India today commenced hearing the legal arguments raised by the petitioners on merits. A constitution bench comprising Justices Abdul Nazir, B.R. Gavai, A.S. Bopanna, V. Ramasubramaniam and V.V. Nagaratna is considering 58 petitions which challenge the decision taken by the central government to demonetize the currency notes of rupees 500 and 1000 denominations. On the previous hearing date, the court had observed that it will first examine whether the petitions challenging the demonetization exercise have become academic. While Attorney General for India R. Venkataramani and Solicitor General of India Tushar Mehta repeatedly today asserted that the issue has become academic in view of the passage of 6 years, senior advocates P. Chidambaram and Shyam Devan on the other hand contended that the validity of the government's decision was still open to challenge. The central government has approved 3 recommendations made by the Supreme Court Collegium on September 28th for appointment of Chief Justices at the High Courts of Karnataka, Rajasthan and Jammu and Kashmir. However, it has held back on a recommendation related to the transfer of Justice Dr. S. Muralidhar, presently serving as the Chief Justice of the Orissa High Court, to the Madras High Court. The Supreme Court Collegium on September 28th made a resolution regarding the transfer of Justice Pankaj Mithal and Justice Dr. S. Muralidhar from the Jammu and Kashmir Ladakh High Court and Orissa High Court as Chief Justices of Rajasthan and Madras High Courts respectively. However, the Department of Justice on October 11th only notified the transfer of Justice Mithal, ignoring the proposal regarding Justice Muralidhar made in the same collegium resolution. The Punjab and Haryana High Court today pertinently quashed an FIR against BJP leader Tajinder Singh Bagga, who was accused by the Punjab police of spreading misinformation and communal disharmony, and also for posting inflammatory statements against Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal. Justice Anup Chitkara in the order said that the purported statement of Bagga is a protest against the statement made by Aam Aadmi Party leader and Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal. The court also said that there is nothing to infer that his statement was so inciting that it would fall within the purview of hate speech and that it would lead to any violence or make fault lines in the structures of communities. A judicial first-class magistrate court at Ernakulam today remanded the 3 accused persons Muhammad Shafai alias Rashid, Bhagavai Singh and Leila to judicial custody for 14 days in the human sacrifice case at Ilanthur village in Kerala. Pertinently, 2 women lottery vendors had been abducted, killed and buried as a part of a ritualistic sacrifice in the months of June and September. The Delhi High Court has said that sick or infirm persons need not satisfy the twin conditions for the grant of bail under Section 45 Clause 1 of the Prevention of Money Laundering Act. After perusing the statement of objects and reasons of the PMLA, Justice Jasmeet Singh in an order on a bail application said that the inclusion of the proviso for grant of bail shows the legislative intent to incorporate relaxations for persons below 16 years of age, a woman or those who are sick and infirm. The Delhi High Court today expressed displeasure at a lawyer who took a somersault in a public interest litigation petition when he blamed technical glitch for a previously recorded submission that he wants to withdraw the case. The petition against Delhi government's decision to disaffiliate the college from Delhi University and merge it with the Ambedkar University was dismissed as withdrawn on September 19th after the particular lawyer, who then appeared through VC proceedings, said that he wants to withdraw the case. The plea was accordingly dismissed as withdrawn by the bench of Chief Justice Satish Chandra Sharma and Justice Subramaniam Prasad. The Calcutta High Court has directed the State Pollution Control Board as well as the state police authorities in the state to prevent the importation and the sale of firecrackers other than green firecrackers bearing QR codes in any place in the state of West Bengal. The bench of Justice Joymala Bakshi and Justice Apurva Sinha Ray had also directed the state government to undertake public awareness measures to spread awareness with regards to restrictions on the sale and bursting of crackers during the festive season and its beneficial impact on the pollution as well as the environment as a whole. Thank you. Keep watching Courts Today on LiveLaw for more such updates. See you tomorrow.